Welcome back to Today's Health. In this segment, I'm speaking with Program Coordinator for the Bariatric Center of Michigan at McLaren Port Huron, Nicolle Murphy. Nicolle, thank you for joining us today.
Sure. Good morning.
Now tell us more about the Bariatric Center of Michigan. How does it differentiate from any other bariatric program?
Well, we have an awesome program. We have because it's located on the site of our hospital, McLaren Port Huron, we have access to all of its services. So if we should need anything like infusions or the emergency room or anything like that, it's all accessible for us. We have a dedicated group of surgeons who have a lot of experience. They provide seminars for our patients in the very beginning, and that provides them with all different information about the options. They answer all the questions that they have. And we have a great staff, a dedicated dietitian, our nurses, and they provide education before surgery. We go and visit them after surgery, and then we see them 6 times that first year after surgery. So we really build a relationship with our patients. So we have a great staff. We have great leadership that will help us in any form we need, if we need supplies, if we need new equipment, if we need just support in general, they're there for us. So I believe we have a very good program. All of our surgeons and our staff are dedicated to the program and compassionate and want nothing but success for our patients.
That's awesome. Now I understand that this program has a certification. Can you tell us more about this and what is involved in achieving the certification?
Yep, we're accredited through the MBSAQIP, which is a combination of the American College of Surgeons and the ASMBSC, which is the Metabolic and Surgical Accreditation. So they are dedicated to making sure that patients that have bariatric surgery are educated, that they are safe, that we're providing the best standards of care that we can for them. And we get accredited. They do a site visit every 3 years, and the years in between we send in submissions to make sure we're meeting all their standards. And we have to make sure we have the right equipment for patients, that the doctors have continuing education credits, that the staff is well versed in everything, that we have access to an ER, an ICU, and the OR, and that everybody is on board with everything that keeps our bariatric patients safe. So it's quite a process to go through, but once you receive accreditation through them, it really makes you above and beyond the other centers, because you know you're doing everything top of the line. So.
Nicolle, now what are the benefits to patients who choose to have their bariatric procedures at McLaren Port Huron?
Well, I just believe that we build such a rapport with these patients. Some of these patients have a year or 6 months of a journey before they even get to surgery, so they need help, getting referrals, or they may need help going through the insurance requirements. So we really try to facilitate that for them. And then during surgery, that they have their surgery, and we go over and visit them, make sure they understand what needs to be done after surgery, because the bariatric surgery is just a tool for them. This is a lifelong commitment. So we know that we're going to be seeing them for years to come. So we want them to be successful. We want them to understand that, we want them to be empowered to know that they really kind of drive this car, that we're giving them the tools they need, but they're the ones that are going to be in charge of their success, and we're just there to, empower them, to encourage them, to educate them, and to keep them safe along their journey. So I'm proud of our facility, I'm proud of our team, and we want nothing but success for our patients. So.
Nicolle, this has been great information. Thank you for joining us today.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching. If you have questions, need physician referrals, or have a suggestion for topics you'd like to hear more about, you can contact us by calling Health Access at 1-800-228-1484. You can also watch Today's Health, request a copy of our program, and access other reliable healthcare information by visiting our website. As always, tune in next time to Today's Health. Today's Health is brought to you by McLaren Port Huron.